Magandang gabi sa inyong lahat. Welcome po sa News Up to Date. Ang topic po natin ngayong gabing ito ay tungkol po sa advisory na inilabas ng Securities and Exchange Commission laban po sa Absolution Online Shop International. So basahin po natin yung nakapaloob po sa advisory ng SEC laban dyan sa Absolution Online Shop International. This is to inform the public that Absolution Online Shop International is not authorized to solicit investments from the public. This advisory is prompted by reports and information received by the Commission that individuals or a group of persons representing Absolution Online Shop International are enticing the public to invest their money in the said entity by purchasing shares of stock with the promise of high monetary rewards or profits. Information gathered showed that Absolution Online Shop International, owned by Mr. Daniel Paulo C. Uwano, Mr. Rog Abis Mendoza, and Mr. Ricardo Lumile Pasco, entices the public to purchase shares of stock by investing a minimum of 3,500 pesos, claiming that the investor will become the owner of one share of stock and promises a return of 6,000 pesos after 37 days. Booking na scam talaga yung Absolution Online Shop International dahil too good to be true ang kanilang pangakong kitaan. Nangangako sila na dun daw sa investment mo na 3,500 pesos ay magiging 6,000 pesos daw yan sa loob lamang ng 37 days. Dun pa lang po mga kababayan, napaka too good to be true at wala naman sila maipakitang patunay na talagang ganyan kalaki ang kinikita nila. Mga kababayan, dapat maging maingat. At nag-o-offer sila ng share of stock sa publiko kahit na wala silang secondary license. Diyan pa lang po ay makikita natin talaga scam yan dahil illegal po na mag-offer ng share of stock sa publiko kapag wala po kayong secondary license. Dapat meron muna kayong secondary license. At alam na natin na yung mga companies ay nagpapapromo din. At yan nga Absolution Online Shop International ay meron din pa promo kapag daw nag-purchase ng 10 shares yung isang investor na worth 35,000 pesos ay makakatanggap pa daw siya ng 5 additional shares of stock as a bonus. At yung investor daw ay maaari daw kumita up to 90,000 pesos sa loob lamang ng 37 days. Kapag 20 shares naman daw ang binili ay may additional 5 shares din. At kapag 25 shares naman daw na worth 87,500 pesos ang binili ay magkakaroon daw ng 9 additional shares at maaari daw kumita ng hanggang 204,000 pesos sa loob lamang ng 37 days. So ang pangakong kitaan ay more than double your money na sa loob lamang ng 37 days. Kasi nga, mayroon pang mga bonus, may mga additional. Pero alam naman natin na pang-hype lang yan para nga maabot nila yung quota nila. At syempre, tatakbuhan nila yung mga investors nila dahil imposible nila maibigay yung ganyang kalaking kitaan. However, the investor is required to reinvest their minimum prior investment within 3 days. Otherwise, they will be blacklisted and banned from further investing in Absolution Online Shop International. Ganyan talaga ang ginagawa ng mga companies. Talagang nire-require kayo na mag-reinvest kasi nga mawawalan sila ng pera kapag di kayo nag-reinvest. Pero mga kababayan, mas mabuti na po na ma-blacklist kayo ng company na yan kesa mawalan kayo ng pera. Dahil yan po ay talagang tataob yung ganyan mga companies. At gusto talaga nila na yung mga members ay mag-reinvest para mas malaki yung makuha nila kapag tumakbo na sila. Mga kababayan, umiwas na po kayo dyan sa mga ganyan mga companies at wag po kayo magre-reinvest kasi masasayang lang po yung pinuhunan ninyong pera. In this regard, the public is made aware that an investment contract, which is a kind of security, exists when there is an investment or placement of money in a common enterprise with a reasonable expectation of profits to be derived from the efforts of others, which is prominent in the scheme of Absolution Online Shop International. As such, the Securities Regulation Code or SRC requires that said offer and or sale of securities must be duly registered with the Commission and that the concerned entity and or its agents should have the appropriate registration and or license to sell such securities to the public. Further, the Financial Products and Services Consumer Protection Act or FCPA also prohibits investment fraud, which is defined under the law as any form of deceptive solicitation of investments from the public, which includes Ponzi schemes and such other schemes involving the promise or offer of returns sourced from the investments or contributions made by the investors themselves and the offering or selling of investment schemes to the public without a license or permit from the SEC. The records of the Commission show that Absolution Online Shop was registered with the Commission on August 7, 2023. However, Absolution Online Shop International is not authorized to solicit investments from the public since it has not secured prior registration and or license from the Commission as prescribed under Sections 8 and 28 of the SRC. Hence, the public is advised not to invest or stop investing in any investment scheme being offered by any persons allegedly for or on behalf of Absolution Online Shop International, and to exercise caution in dealing with any individuals or group of persons soliciting investments for and on behalf of it. At babala po para dun sa mga umaaktong salesmen, brokers, dealers, agents, representatives, promoters, operators, recruiters, uplines, influencers, endorsers, abettors, and enablers of Absolution Online Shop International in soliciting, selling, or convincing people to invest in the investment scheme offered by said entity, including solicitations and recruitment, may be held criminally liable under Section 28 of the SRC and Section 11 of the FCPA, and for the two offenses, both penalized with separate maximum fine of 5 million pesos or a penalty of 21 years of imprisonment, or both pursuant to Section 73 of the SRC. Kung meron po kayo impormasyon tungkol nga sa recruitment or security solicitation activities na ginagawa nga ng Absolution Online Shop International, ay pwede nyo pong isend ang inyong report sa Enforcement and Investor Protection Department na Securities and Exchange Commission sa kanilang email na epd@sec.gov.ph. Ito pong advisory ay inilabas noong October 10, 2023. Mga kababayan, wag po kayo basta-basta mag-i-invest. Kailangan siguraduhin ninyo na yung pag-i-investan ninyo ay talagang kompleto sa legalities. Dapat merong secondary license at dapat po i-verify po ninyo sa Securities and Exchange Commission kasi meron po mga kumpanya na namimeke ng dokumento. Mga kababayan, maraming salamat po sa inyong patuloy na pagsuporta sa aking channel. God bless po.